And this is a multifunction meter. This is actually made to take readings. It's called a thermohygrometer, which takes moisture or temperature and moisture meter readings. And also the air moisture content. So as you can see right now, we have two readings on here. That's how you can memorize. The system will memorize that particular setting at that time and place. Right now the temperature is 69.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and the relative humidity, RH, is 45.3. And if I click it over a couple of times, it goes to GPP, which is grains per pound. And the grains in this particular area right now is 38.5, 38.3. We have not started drying it yet, so it's going to go up and down and move in various directions as air currents waft through here. But our goal is to get that number down, the grains in the air, down to pre-loss condition. The way we find pre-loss condition is find an area of the structure, preferably on the same level, that's not wet. If you could visualize moisture, it'd be basically a cloud in this room. So that's what grains per pound means. It's just a cloud of moisture in this particular area. And what we do is test the other areas to see what the moisture content of the grains per pound in those areas, and we try to equalize it, pulling by using air movement and dehumidification to pull out moisture in this area, get rid of that cloud in other words, shoots into a pump through refrigerant dehumidification, and this goes into a toilet or a drain and pumps itself out. This is all automatic, so we don't have to dump anything, just turn it on and let it do its magic.